Windows are one of the most important features of any home, allowing natural light to brighten your living spaces, offering views of the outdoors, and helping to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. However, windows can wear down over time, losing their ability to perform effectively. In Bethesda, where the weather can fluctuate from hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters, it's crucial to ensure your windows are in top condition to protect your home and maximize energy efficiency. But how do you know when it's time to replace your windows? Here are the key signs to look out for. Drafts and air leaks. If you notice a sudden chill in your home during the winter or warm air creeping in during the summer, your windows might not be sealing properly. Drafts can make it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and lead to higher heating and cooling costs. Even when windows are closed, worn-out weather stripping or compromised seals can cause air leaks. If you feel cold air coming through the frame or notice condensation between the panes, it's likely time for a window replacement. Increased energy bills. As your windows age, they lose their ability to insulate your home. This can cause your HVAC system to work harder, especially in the winter and summer months when temperature regulation is crucial. If you've noticed a steady increase in your energy bills despite no major changes in your energy usage, your windows may be the culprit. Newer, energy-efficient windows can help you cut down on heating and cooling costs by providing better insulation and UV protection. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Over time, windows can become difficult to operate. This is especially common with older wood windows, which may warp or swell due to moisture exposure. If you're struggling to open or close your windows, or if they get stuck or won't lock properly, it's a sign that your windows are no longer functioning properly. A malfunctioning window not only affects the comfort of your home but could also be a safety concern, especially if it's your only escape route in the event of an emergency. Visible damage or wear. Windows take a beating from the elements, especially in a place like Bethesda, where winters can be harsh and summers bring intense sun. Over time, you may notice visible signs of wear, such as cracked or chipped glass, warped frames, or peeling paint. These aesthetic issues may not seem urgent at first, but they can lead to more significant problems like leaks, drafts, and water damage. If your windows are showing signs of damage or deterioration, it's best to replace them before the problem worsens. Excessive noise. One of the benefits of quality windows is noise reduction. If your windows are allowing outside noise to disrupt your peace, whether it's traffic, lawn equipment, or the neighborhood kids playing, it could be a sign that they're no longer providing adequate soundproofing. Older windows with single panes or worn seals may fail to block out external noise effectively. Replacing your windows with modern, insulated glass can help create a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Condensation between the pane. If you notice condensation forming between the panes of your double or triple paned windows, it's a sign that the seals have failed. This trapped moisture can make your windows look foggy and reduce the amount of light entering your home. While the condensation may seem like a minor inconvenience at first, it can indicate a loss of energy efficiency. Replacing the windows will restore clarity and improve their insulating properties. Outdated style or function. And sometimes, the reason to replace your windows is simply aesthetic or functional. Older windows, particularly those that are single pane or outdated in design, may no longer fit the look and feel of your home. Whether you're remodeling, updating your home's style, or improving its energy efficiency, replacing your windows can significantly enhance both the curb appeal and the overall comfort of your home. Newer windows also come in a variety of styles and finishes to match your vision. Visible mold or mildew. Excess moisture can accumulate around old, poorly sealed windows, creating the perfect environment for mold and mildew growth. This can not only damage your window frame but can also pose health risks to you and your family. If you spot mold or mildew around your windows, it's important to take action quickly. Replacing the windows can eliminate the source of the moisture and prevent future mold issues. Conclusion: if your windows are showing any of the signs above, it might be time to consider replacing them. Whether it's to improve energy efficiency, increase comfort, or boost your home's aesthetic appeal, new windows can provide long-lasting benefits. In Bethesda, where the weather can be unpredictable, having well-functioning windows is essential to keeping your home safe and comfortable year-round. If you're unsure about the condition of your windows, consulting with a professional can help you make an informed decision and choose the best replacement options for your needs.